I am Dr. Akshay Nadkarni. Here we are today discussing about women. What are the most common types of problems that come to you in 35 to 55 age group?
मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं खराब ज़्यादा
कंप्लीटेड फैमिली लाइफ के बाद एक मिडिल एज क्राइसिस जहाँ हस्बैंड वाइफ के रिलेशंस थोड़े सॉर होते हैं, सासू पीछे लग जाती है, बच्चा करो बच्चा करो.
There is something called as the midlife crisis, which very much exists, and there are a multitude of problems, which females step in with, especially during in and around this age group.
Everybody wants to look 10 years younger, 15 years younger. They directly come to us. मतलब ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि हमको अब दिखना है, अच्छा दिखना है, because they have completed their all responsibilities.
Cancer is on the rise. Get your routine gynecology checkup along with all these cosmetic things. I am Dr. Akshay Nadkarni, Director 21st Century Group of Hospitals, Vapi, and here we are today discussing about women. Vapi, वलसाड़ की जनता, नॉर्थ महाराष्ट्र, दानू, बोईसर, पालघर, सिलवास, दमन और नवसारी तक women come here, और ऑफ कोर्स बाहर के लोग भी आते हैं, मुंबई से आते हैं, अलग अलग शहरों से. वापी जैसी जगह में 21st सेंचुरी का एक बड़ा ब्रांड हो चुका है और 25 साल पूरे हो रहे हैं इस साल. मार्च 2025 21st सेंचुरी हॉस्पिटल वापी फिनिशेस 25 इयर्स. इस दौरान वी रिमेंबर आवर लेट मदर, लेट डॉक्टर पूर्णिमा नाडकर्णी, whose vision this was for the women of Vapi to bring in all possible facilities to Vapi. We have been successful in making a beautiful private multi-speciality hospital with 3 major super specialties to our domain. One is cosmetology, one is IVF and gynecology, which is our core domain of 21st century. Apart from that, we have brought in cardiology and cancer to Vapi. These 3C जो हम बोलते हैं, cancer, cardiac और cosmetic को हम लोग ने from gynecology, we have diversified into these subjects and we have welcomed these new branches to Vapi. We have utmost respect to all the women of Vapi और हम चाहते हैं कि as a नाडकर्णी परिवार हम 35 to 55 की women पे फोकस करें 2025 में. 2025 का साल में we are dedicating to the women of Vapi and South Gujarat and North Maharashtra, जहाँ हम फोकस कर रहे हैं 35 से 55 के women के प्रॉब्लम्स पे. तो हमको इस दौरान I will introduce my team today. Dr. Aditi Nadkarni, IVF specialist at Eva Care at 21st Century. Dr. Chandni Kharat is a cosmetic gynecologist who visits our hospital from Mumbai twice a month, second and fourth Saturdays. Dr. Jaspreet Rajani is our cosmetic specialist, skin specialist, dermatologist and cosmetic department in charge at Vapi for last 12 years. So here we are with the panel. So my first question to them, Aditi, you have been a leading practitioner of Vapi and you do gynecology practice. What are the most common types of problems that come to you in 35 to 55 age group? वापी की कौन से ऐसे महिलाएं हैं जो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो?
वापी की महिलाएं या जनरली जो गायनिकोलॉजी में प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं सफ़ेद पानी का स्राव जाना, पेट में दुखना, मासिक के वक्त दर्द होना, और ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग एन इनफर्टिलिटी स्पेशलिस्ट मेरे पास बहुत सारे इनफर्टिलिटी के पेशेंट्स आते हैं जिनको बच्चे नहीं हो रहे, प्राइमरी इनफर्टिलिटी, सेकेंडरी इनफर्टिलिटी सालों से नहीं हो रही है. तो बेसिकली ये कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स हम देखते हैं. और आजकल एडोलेसेंट यानी कि जो यंग गर्ल्स हैं उनको भी मासिक की प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं. तो ऐसे कुछ बच्चियाँ भी हमारे पास आती हैं फॉर रूटीन रेगुलर चेकअप्स. बहुत सारी लेडीज़ रेगुलर गायनेक चेकअप्स के लिए भी आजकल हमारे पास आ रही हैं, विच इज़ रियली रिवॉर्डिंग, क्योंकि हम अक्सर जाके ये सब बताते हैं कि रेगुलर चेकअप, गायनेक चेकअप और होल बॉडी चेकअप कर लेना चाहिए.
So what I understand is कि आपकी फर्टिलिटी पीरियड में पहले तो हम टेंशन लेते मासिक आया क्यों नहीं, फिर आने के बाद दर्द क्यों हो रहा है, फिर उसमें स्टेबलाइज होने के बाद शादी हो जाती है, शादी के बाद बच्चे क्यों नहीं हो रहे, सासू पीछे लग जाती है, बच्चा करो बच्चा करो. सो दैट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. फिर बच्चे हो जाते हैं तो बच्चे के टाइम पर डिलीवरी, स्वाभाविक ये सब होता है. उसके बाद एक पीरियड आता है कंप्लीटेड फैमिली लाइफ के बाद, एक मिडिल एज क्राइसिस जहाँ हस्बैंड वाइफ के रिलेशंस थोड़े सॉर होते हैं. तो ये पीरियड में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो हस्बैंड वाइफ को वापस ले आती है? चांद, वुड यू लाइक टू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन दिस? लाइक फर्स्ट कंप्लीट फैमिली, आप मुंबई से है, महानगरी है मुंबई, तो वहाँ आपको कैसे पेशेंट्स आते हैं कि इज देयर अ बिग मार्केट वेयर द women are coming to you with sexual problems?
Yeah, Forbes, thank you for that question. And being a cosmetic gynecologist, and as you very well said, there is something called as the midlife crisis, which very much exist, and there are a multitude of problems, which females step in with, especially during in and around this age group. Having said that, what these problems could be, as you said, around 35, this is the time most of the female in general, if you don't look only to the professionals, they have kind of completed their family. So we do get cases of, a lot of vaginal laxity. Okay, they won't come directly with laxity or loose vagina, वो problem लेके वो नहीं आनी. They will come with cases of, probably loss of interest in sex or, sexual disharmony, marital conflict. ये सब आपको consultation के दौरान पता चलेंगे. And then finally they do open up because ये काफी intimate issue है तो एकदम से वो खुद के नहीं बोलेंगे. And then they do open up saying that, the sex is not pleasurable. They don't feel their partner well. There is loss of interest in sex. Other than that, also around that age group, okay, a lot of other problems like leakage of urine, stress related incontinence वगैरह, because बहुत से hormonal changes होते हैं. Aging से काफी फर्क आता है physiologically. Post childbirth जैसे हमने कहा, post pregnancy जैसे हमने कहा, बहुत से changes body में वैसे ही आते हैं. तो anywhere from loose vagina to loss of libido to loss of interest in sex, which means also a lot of female जो अपने puberty में जिनको बहुत problems रहे like recurrent vaginal infection वगैरह और सालों से चलते रहे, they never bothered, या उन्होंने treatment ली, दवाई ली, ठीक हो गया, फिर से ठीक नहीं हुआ. Probably I realize this is a time when they are comparatively a little more set with family. They have completed their family and they realize that they need to have a self check.
So here's a second chance for you. Like a test match has 2 innings. A woman goes through 2 innings. One is the marriage period and one is the post-Bachu syndrome.
Yeah.
So I feel that is the time where the woman has to take utmost care and come back to that Javanika phase, which you had it in your early 20s or early 30s. So here's wishing you खुशखबरी to वापी की जनता कि cosmetic gynecology आ रहा है and वापी में 21st Century Hospital में Dr. Chandni is going to visit 2nd and 4th Saturdays every time. For these people who are in their crisis, want to share anything with about their sexual issues or vaginal issues, you can consult Dr. Aditi or Dr. Chandni directly and consult them and take advantage of the new department called the cosmetic gynecology. We have machines, we have operations, we have surgeries to solve these problems. So ये take home message. We come to Jaspreet. आपको क्या लगता है कि what is your main? You are a amazing dermatologist and lasers you have. You do cosmetic work in Vapi. ये जो 35 to 55 की age group है, do you think ये trend बदल रहा है? Last 10 साल पहले आप जब आए थे और अब में what is the demand that these ladies want?
Hello everyone. So basically क्या था कि initially they were only concerned जब आते थे कि सिर्फ pigmentation, dark spot या कुछ late onset acne. But अभी what we see cosmetic practice अगर face की तरफ से देखें तो anti-aging that has become a very thing in अभी everybody wants to look 10 years younger, 15 years younger. They directly come to us. मतलब ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि हमको अब दिखना है, अच्छा दिखना है, because they have completed their all responsibilities. So after 40, 45, so we have so many technologies now that the advancements are so much that injectables के साथ साथ हमारे पास machines, lasers, HIFU techniques ऐसी हो गई है जो skin tightening करती है. So I think that is the same thing happening in the gynec part also. So women are now opening up, and what we have seen कि हमारे जो dermatologist forum में we all discuss कि cosmetic gynecology is like a boon to all the patients and it is coming up very rapidly in metro cities, and we'll be happy कि अगर वापी किसी जगह में भी हम ऐसा कुछ launch करें and patients को, because जैसे हम face tightening का patients expect करते हैं, similarly they want that vaginal tightening, the libido should improve for sexual pleasure. So वो सब चीज़ें भी अब they are opening up. They are even asking us. We also do get queries कि आप laser इसका तो कर रहे हैं, इसका tightening कर रहे हैं, या फिर they want pigmentation कम करने for the bikini areas. They want hair reduction, like for the body they want hair reduction for those areas. They want tightening of those areas. It's not face. They are also concerned those areas कि they want tightening of those areas. So yes, it's very much in, and the trend is definitely changing.
So here we are at 21st Century Hospitals. We have gynecology, we have cosmetic gynecology, and the facial and the beauty cosmetology as well. Everything for the people of Vapi. Take home message. Me being a cancer surgeon, do your pap smears regularly. Take the cervical cancer vaccine. Cancer is on the rise. Get your routine gynecology checkup along with all these cosmetic things. So welcome to Vapi, and we conclude the session. Thank you. Thank you doctors for being a part of this show.